How to switch Messenger account on your phone. If you have multiple Facebook Messenger accounts and you want to switch between them seamlessly, this is how you can do it. So first, you need to have the Messenger application and make sure it's up to date, and let's get started. First of all, open your app and then tap on the three dots at the top left. And here you can tap on the gear icon to open the settings. And once you have opened the settings, after the update, Messenger has set your account section at the very top, so you can find all of your accounts there. But you just tap on Manage Accounts and tap the account that you want to log into and click on Continue. And once you do this, you will be logged into your other account, like so. This may take a while, but once you are done, you should be logged into your another account. So that's how you log in or change your accounts on Messenger. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.